Today I'm going to sail from the yacht club to the other side of the island. It's about a 5 nautical mile sail. The weather seems to have broken, so I figured it was a good time to go. It was forecasted to stop raining about this time. So I'm going to sail off the dock, and basically I'm just pushing it to get enough momentum to clear off the end of the dock. It's good practice to do it. I also have this pet peeve about not running my diesel just to motor off the dock. The first thing I'm going to do when I get on the boat is put the main up. That way I can keep my speed up so I'm able to steer. As I'm doing that, when I get close to the boat here, the wind picks up from my port side as I'm putting the main up, and it creates a lot of friction on the mainsail going up the track, so I wasn't able to get it up all the way. So I decided to unfurl the jib. That way I can keep my speed up, because without the boat moving you can't steer. So it was important that the boat keeps moving. One advantage to having the jib unfurled or up when you're trying to put the main up in a crosswind situation, when you're not going dead into the wind, is it'll backwind the main, or the upwash from the jib will cause the apparent wind on the mainsail to come straight at it almost. Breezes up to 10 knots. That's good, because this is the perfect head sail for that. Okay, got to take the barber hauler off. Just switch these real quick. Go upwind, put it in wind mode. 37 degrees apparent. That'd be sweet. Stupid, I put the, okay. You gonna do it? Of course that's hard. Okay.
Alright, it worked.
I heard from a diver once that there's huge boulders here, and him and a buddy, they would float with the current, and they were going at like 3 or 4 knots, and they're looking at each other, you know, and all of a sudden his friend got hit by a rock, just like poof. I've never dove in here, I don't know. This is a shitty tacking angle, I do know that. Try the tack mode again. All right. Choppy. There's a lot of current against the wind here, which is why it's so choppy. I mean, they're probably like one foot waves, 2 foot. Short little guys. Oh, wipeout. Oh my god. And tack, no. Look how fast I'm going though, all current. That was weird.
Right here I'm making a mainsail adjustment. So I ease the traveler down to reduce the pressure on the sail, and then I tighten the main halyard, which will help flatten the mainsail out to reduce the heeling. Right here I'm adjusting the Inhauler for the jib. What this adjustment does is it brings the clew closer to the center line, reducing the sheeting angle. It allows you to sail closer to the wind. It also changes the upwash to the main. It'll allow me to bring the mainsail, sheet the mainsail in even tighter.
Pretty cold out here. I think it's in the 40s, low 40s. It was 40 this morning at my house. It's got to be around there somewhere. It's good sailing. It's probably blowing 10 knots. Is that what it says? All right. Fortunately, I'm almost to where I need to go. up to the mooring ball. It's directly ahead there. Puff. Can't do it. Technology just confusing. There should do it. Oh no. Find out where that mooring ball went. Oh, we good.
If you made it this far, you should like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video where I sail to Bremerton.
Oh God. Rain's coming. Possibly a squall. See if I can get to shore before it comes. Probably not, looks just like mist. See the wind picking up though. This might be the best part of the video if I go in. Oh, I swear if I get my Crocs wet,